Okay, here we are at Mill Hollow Reservoir near the Mill Hollow campground in the Uintah National Forest. Our car's over there. It's a short stop on the way up the hill to a nice picnic ground. And here we are. We're on the other side of the lake.
I mean, what if I slam back there? What if I slam? Right now? You do it? I dare you. You can use my blanket as a towel.
Let's get Michael right by that.
It's muddy. Stop him.
Molly.
Muddy. That was hard.
Math is hard. Hello.
How are you?
Fish biting?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good.
What is that?
Your dad was dragging that up.
Hello. That would be a fun way to see this. Almost every time we're up on this drive, we see these sheep. This time they're all out feeding, and normally we see them, they're all kind of in a herd. We saw some cowboys earlier that are probably herding them, brought them out here to feed. Meh! There are literally sheep all over these hills just around here. Clear's the, well, way down there, up over here. You can see sheep coming down from the top of that hill. It's like human voices almost. This must be one of the sheepdogs. Huge paws.
You're big. Still skinny though.
Think he's stray? Hi. We took the turn off to Strawberry Reservoir instead of Heber, and therefore this is all new experience for us. We stopped at a little place here to we didn't bring a picnic or else we'd eat, but we wish we did. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Lovely. Lovely.
Lovely. What? Okay, here we are taking the road to Strawberry from Mill Hollow over the hills, and we're coming out and you can see in the distance Strawberry Reservoir. Okay.